Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Jub Jub is officially a free man after today's court decision. He won a case against his ex-girlfriend Amanda DuPont. Amanda accused him of rape, attempted murder and assault. Following months of going in and out of court, the case has been withdrawn. So I think you still remember when you went to Mag's podcast, that's when Amanda was triggered and she actually made a video crying. There's an official statement that came out and I'm going to put it at the end of the video. It's saying, in a groundbreaking verdict, Molemo, known as Jub Jub, has been withdrawn from all charges, marking a significant moment in his legal battle. The Director of Public Prosecution has confirmed that there was no case and has decided not to proceed with the prosecution. Following the Director's decision, all 14 charges, wow, there were 14, including those related to multiple counts of rape, attempted murder and assaults, have been withdrawn. This has led to Mr. Marouane being discharged of all charges and he is now a free man. His legal team have maintained his innocence throughout the case, and the recent decision by the Director of Public Prosecution solidified their position. I would like to express my deep gratitude. This is Jub Jub now talking to my legal team for their unwavering commitment of justice and truth. This verdict brings a sense of relief and vindication not only to me but also to those who supported me. The outpouring of support has been truly touching and I'm grateful for it, said Jub Jub. So I don't know what you guys think about this case that has been dropped. Is Amanda, I don't know if she's in a right position now to comment about all this. I don't think she will comment or say anything because I'm sure she was like, I'm going to win this case. But the court said there's no case here. I think they actually saw that the time frame and these people were in a relationship. Why didn't she report that time? I'm not saying she didn't have the right to report late. If you are raped or if you are assaulted, no matter what time, when you are comfortable to report, you can go and report. But now I think, I don't know what the court has seen. Let me know, those who know the court verdicts. You can, those who work, who know the law, you can comment in the comment section so that you can teach us how the court can say he is now a free man. Wastly Lelo Amanda, I'm saying Lelo now. Wastly Amanda said he was assaulted, he was raped, all that. Let me know in the comment section below.